This is Shailesh Kumar, and today our topic of discussion is rational number for 7th class. This is exercise 3B, and in this video we will learn the addition and simplification of the rational numbers. So let's start with the first question. Now, addition of rational number. There are two rational numbers, minus 4 by 11 and 7 by 11. We have to add these rational numbers. So minus 4 by 11, we will write this as a addition symbol, and 7 by 11. In the question where the denominator is same, those questions are very easy. We will draw a division bar and write the denominator only once, and write the numerator as it is they are in the questions. Now minus 4 plus 7, so minus 4 plus 7, what is the answer? 7 minus 4, that is 3 by 11. Now which is greater? 7 is greater, so the answer is plus 3. We need not to write the plus symbol, therefore the answer is 3 by 11. Here in this part, minus 13 by 38 and minus 21 by 38. Students, first of all, you should understand that whenever there is a negative in the denominator, you will make it positive. How you will make it positive? There are two ways to make it positive. You will write this negative symbol in the center. If there is one negative symbol in the rational number, then you will write it in the center. But if the two negative symbols in the rational number, one is numerator and one is denominator, then you will cancel those and it will convert to a positive rational number. Now this, we will write it minus 13 over 38. This is addition symbol, and this will be written as like this. As we know, we can't write the plus and minus symbol together, so I will write this in bracket. Okay. Now as you see, the denominator in the both rational number is same, so I will write the division bar, and my LCM is 38. This is minus 13 plus minus 21, as we done in the first part. Minus 13, now this is plus and minus, that is minus. Now here both integers are negative, therefore we will add them. When there are integers of the same sign, then we will add and write the common symbol. What is the common symbol? Minus, and addition of these 3 plus 1 4 and 3, 34 by 38. Okay, now this is the answer. But you see, minus 34 and 38 both are divisible by 2, therefore you can also proceed this sum. Minus 34 by 38, this will divisible by 2, you will get 17, and this is 19. Therefore the answer could be written in the form minus 17 over 19. Now in the question number 2, here you will add the two rational numbers, but the difference is there that the denominator are not same. So we will just solve it as the fractions, as we done in the earlier topic. Now 5 by 6 and plus, we will write the plus addition symbol and write minus 2 by 3 in the bracket. Now 5 by 6 plus into minus, that is minus 2 by 3. Now I will take the LCM. What is the LCM of 6 and 3? That is 6. I will draw the division bar. Now 6 will be divided by 6, that is answer is 1, and I will multiply this one by 5. Now minus symbol, and 6 will be divided by 3, the answer is 2 and that 2 is multiplied with 2. Now 5 into 1, that is 5, and 2 into 2, 4 by 6, that is 1 by 6. This is the required answer. Student, there is no problem. We are just adopting the method of the fraction as we done in the earlier topic. Clear? Now here 2 and 3 by 14 and minus 3 by minus 7. Here first of all, this is the mixed fraction and I will convert it into a improper fraction. How? That is the rule we know. 14 into 2, that is the answer, will be added to 3. So I will get it 28. 28 plus 3, that is 31. 31 by 4. Now plus, as I have explained you that if there are minus symbol in the both numerator and denominator, then you will cancel them and it will become a positive rational number. So I can write it like this. Now I will take the LCM of 7 and 14. Now 14 is a factor of 7 and it is greater, therefore I will write directly the LCM of 7 and 14 is 14. So 14 divided by 14, 1, and this 1 multiplied with the numerator. Now 14 divided by 7, that is 2, and 2 multiplied with 3. So 31 plus 6, that is 14. Now 31 plus 6, that is 37 by 14. As you know that our question was given in the mixed fraction, therefore I will have to represent my answer in the mixed fraction. So 14 and 37. 14 2s are 28. The remainder is 5. Now 14 to the 28. The remainder is 9. 14, 9 and 2. 14 2s are 28. 28 plus 9, 37. Now this is my required answer. So in this way we can add where the denominator are same and also the cases where the denominator are not same. Student, in this sum we will learn how to express an rational number as a sum of integer and an rational number. So there are three sums in this question. I will take this one first. This is a rational number 33 by 8. I will divide this 33 by 8. So in the rough work, 33 divided by 8. Now 8 ones are 8, 8 to the 16, 8 3s are 24, and 8 to 3 the 24, and 8 4 the 32. So this is 32 and the remainder is 1. Now 33 by 8 can be written as 8 here and remainder will be here and the quotient will be here. You can see this 4 is a complete number. It means this is an integer. This is integer and 1 by 8 is a rational number. So it can be written as integer plus rational number. So we can express this rational number as a sum of integer and a rational number. So I can write integer is equal to 4 and rational number is equal to 1 by 8. Now we will solve this question. 107 over minus 11. As I have told you earlier that we will write minus symbol in the center as I write, and I have to write this 107 by 11 in the bracket. Now I will adopt the same method here as I have done in this question. So I will divide 107 by 11. So on the table of 11 I will get on the 9, 99. 11 nines are 99 and 11 tens are 110. That will be more than 107. So 17 by minus 9, that is 8. So I can write this 11, 8 and 9. Clear? So this can be written as 107 minus 11 can be written as minus 9 and minus 8 by 11. Okay, or minus 9 plus minus 8 by 11. Now here this is integral part and this is rational number.